Hey guys, last time we talked about the Nokia X, which is not true, and that phone will not be called Nokia X. HMD Global is planning to launch the Nokia X6 and it will sit between the Nokia 6 2018 and the Nokia 7 Plus. And today the first official press renders of the Nokia X6 have been outed in China, and by looking at them you have certainly noticed that it is wearing a dreaded notch on the front. There is still a chin too, although it is rather small at least compared to what other OEMs have done. The Nokia logo on the front usually sits in the right part of the top screen bezel but had to be moved to the chin this time around, as there really isn't a bezel where it used to be. And if you are a subscriber for quite some time, then this design firstly introduced by the name of Nokia 9, but now maybe Nokia started this new series named as X series for trendy notch. On the back, the Nokia X6 resembles the recently unveiled Nokia 7 Plus with its copper accents and dual rear camera placement. The only notable difference between the two is that the Nokia X6 has its LED flash array in between the cameras and the fingerprint scanner, whereas it's to the right of the cameras in the Nokia 7 Plus. Nokia's first notch touchscreen will be 5.8 inch in size and will have 19:9 aspect ratio. The entry-level model will be powered by a MediaTek Helio P60 chipset paired with 4 GB of RAM, while the slightly more expensive iteration will swap those out for a Snapdragon 636 and 6 GB of memory. The Nokia X6 will run Android Oreo from day one and will start in China at around $250. So now let me know what you guys think about Nokia's first notch screen phone, and let me know in the comments down, and make sure to subscribe for more upcoming daily tech videos. And I'll catch you guys next one. See you soon.